Hello everybody. In this mini lecture we are going to look at another basic property of the exponential function. I hope you remember that the exponential function is the following. Exponential of a complex number z is, let's write it in this line, is the sum n from 0 to infinity z to the n divided by and factorial. So that's just the definition in case you had forgotten. So what I want to show you is the following. The derivative of the exponential function is the exponential function. So proof. Let's just remember how the derivative is defined. So the derivative of the exponential function is, by definition, the limit h goes to 0 of the exponential function at z plus h minus the exponential function at z divided by h. This is just by definition. And now we can apply what we already know about the exponential function, namely the following. We have exponential of z plus h is the same as exponential of z times exponential of h. And look here, we can apply this here. So we can write this limit as limit h goes to 0, exponential z times exponential h minus exponential z divided by h. And now note, exponential z doesn't depend on n. So we can factor this out and put it in front of the limit. So let's do that. We have exponential z times the limit h goes to infinity, and now we have exponential h minus 1, and we still divide by h. And now look, we can expand this or write this exponential h in this form that I've reminded you of a moment ago. We can write it as an infinite sum. So let's do that. So then we have exponential z times the limit h goes to 0, and now we put this infinite sum in here, and from 0 to infinity, h to the n divided by n factorial minus 1, and we still divide by h. And now we look at this limit and we get 1 minus h minus 1 divided by h, which is 1. We still have to multiply by exponential z, of course. Nothing has changed there. So we have 1 times the exponential z. And now we're finished, because as you see, the derivative of the exponential is the exponential itself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.